Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new spanking video. And for today's video, I got probably one of my best videos ever, my most exciting video ever, because in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the brand new PlayStation 5. As you can see here, I got the brand new PlayStation 5. This box is so massive and so heavy, it doesn't even fit in my frame of the camera. So I'm going to move it on to the side here, but guys, I don't even know what to say. But before we get started on this, you guys know I didn't forget. You know I didn't forget. We hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, guys. Thank you to all my subscribers, guys. A giveaway is coming soon. Like I said, thank you for everything. Like I said, if you guys saw my stream yesterday, I thanked everybody and it was crazy. But thank you to all my loyal subscribers that have been with me since day one and had followed me on this journey until now. I truly appreciate your guys' support, and thank you for watching the channel and subscribing. Thank you once again for helping me hit my goal. But now, let's get into the unboxing of the brand new PlayStation 5. Alrighty guys, so I got this thing on the desk, and as you can see here, this thing is so massive. Like, I mean, this box is probably the biggest console box I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it's so big that it barely fits in my frame, and I had to come over to this side to do this unboxing. But guys, I would have never thought that I would have ever in my life gotten a console day one and gotten a PlayStation. Those two things are two things that I would have never thought would have ever happened. But let's get all the talking out of the way. I know you guys want to see this PlayStation, but as you can see here in front of the box here, PlayStation 5, of course it says AK right here, HDR, not sure if you guys can see that, 4K 120. Let's crack this thing open. And yes guys, this thing is pretty heavy as well. Let's crack this thing open. As you can see here, you just open this little flap like so, and then you kind of just take this thing out, just pull it out like that. Let me take this out real quick. Alrighty, so once you take that box out of the way, of course, you're greeted with another box, but this one's way simpler. So let's crack this open. I'm not even going to edit this part, because this is the exciting part. So we're just going to lift this little tab right here, kind of crank that open this up, and the first thing you're greeted with inside the box is, of course, your boring manuals. Let's throw those out of the way. Of course, another manual. Who actually reads those? And then we have your power cord, of course, to power this thing. Of course, no power brick. And then we have the controller right here. Let's pull this out, guys. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Guys, I gotta say, I haven't even put this thing in my hands. I'm barely, and this thing just feels absolutely amazing. But let's put this to the side and let's head on to the console. But wait, one last thing. Almost forgot about the stand here. Let's take that out. Alrighty, so here is the PlayStation stand. If you're gonna put it sideways or vertical, you do need this stand, so don't throw this away. And then of course you get your high-speed HDMI. How do I know it's high speed? Well, because it says high speed, and because it is a 2.1 HDMI cable, which means it is high speed and can run even 8K. And you can also tell that it's a high-speed cable because of the cable being a little bit thicker than your normal standard HDMI cable. Alright, so that's it for this box. Let's put this to the side. And then the last thing inside the box is, of course, the PlayStation. So let's get this thing outside of the box. And I gotta say, guys, this thing is pretty heavy. Alrighty, guys, so that's pretty much it for that box. I've got the box out of the way. Are you guys excited? Because I am very excited for this. Let's get all this tucking out of the way. Let's take these little flaps out. Let's put them to the side. Take the other side out very carefully here. And yes, guys, this thing is very heavy, actually. Alrighty. Ready for this, guys? Drum roll, please. 3, 2, 1. And let's reveal this thing. Alright, we gotta flip it over. Gotta be very gentle because I kind of opened this thing wrong. And voila, this wrapping is out of the way. And then we have the console. Alrighty guys, so we got the console outside of the box, and guys, This thing is absolutely massive. Oh my gosh. As you can see, this is how the PlayStation looks up close. Of course, you got your USB Type-C here. Of course, you got your power button, and of course your eject button for your disc. And yes, this is the disc version, not the digital. And then, not sure if you guys can see here, but you have little PlayStation icons inside this little texture right here. You guys probably won't be able to see because my camera is not that great. But guys, I mean, let's just get a moment and take a look at this thing. I mean, got the PlayStation logo on the side here, embossed. This thing is just, I mean, oh my gosh, this thing is massive, first of all. Wow, guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I actually like the design of this thing. And then heading on to the back, as you can see here, we have two USBs, an Ethernet, a high-speed HDMI port, and then, of course, your power port. Alrighty, guys, so this is the console right here, like I said. Brought it up here so you guys can see it in way closer detail, and this is just the unboxing video, so don't get too excited. That's pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned, guys, because after this video there will be a UI first impressions, user interface first impressions, and then right after that there's going to be a review. And then let's just get a moment to look at this thing. I mean, first of all, I mean, size comparison, my head, the console, I mean, this thing is so big I gotta stand back. I mean, it's massive. But, guys, this thing is crazy. I mean, wow. This thing is great. And then, don't think I forgot about the controller here. This is a new DualSense controller here, as you can see here. Like I said, it looks similar to an Xbox controller. Speaking of Xbox controller, got it right here for comparison. And keep in mind, we'll also be doing a comparison between these two controllers. So stay tuned for that video coming as well. But for now, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. And like I said, thank you once again for helping me hit my goal, 1,000 subscribers. I thank absolutely each and every one of my subscribers that have been with me since day one. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember, stay tuned. Turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.